Mind-blowing science experiments. You can try at home while learning a new language. Thanks for watching. Intro. Are you looking for a fun way to learn a new language while conducting mind-blowing science experiments at home? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore exciting experiments that you can try out while immersing yourself in a new language. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of science and language learning. Main content. Let's kick things off with a simple experiment that combines chemistry and language. Grab some baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring for a reaction. As you mix the ingredients together, try to describe chemical reactions happening in the language you're learning. It's a hands-on way to boost your vocabulary and understanding of science concepts. Next up, let's delve into the world of physics with a gravity-defying experiment. All you need is a balloon and a straw. By blowing up the balloon and attaching it to the straw, you can create a mini rocket launcher. As you launch the balloon rocket, practice counting down in your new language for an added linguistic challenge. Moving on to biology, let's explore the wonders of plant growth while expanding your language skills. Take a few seeds and plant them in a small pot. As you observe the seeds sprouting and growing into plants, try labeling the different parts of the plant in the language you're learning. It's a great way to connect nature and language learning. Now, let's experiment with the power of sound waves and language comprehension. Create a simple sound wave generator using a rubber band and a container. By adjusting the tension of the rubber band, you can produce different frequencies of sound. Challenge yourself to identify the sounds and describe their characteristics in your new language. Outro. By combining science experiments with language learning, you can enhance your understanding of both subjects in a dynamic and interactive way. So, grab your materials, get ready to explore, and immerse yourself in the fascinating world of science and language. We hope you enjoyed these mind-blowing experiments and stay tuned for more exciting content. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your experiences.